Hi, it's your girl Prella here. Thank you so much for viewing my channel today. I just want to share with you and ask you a question. Have you positioned yourself to be a valuable asset? Now, what do I mean by that? So, right now, there are so many people, thousands, hundreds of thousands or more, that is trying to figure out how to start an online business, whether it's an ebook or a digital product. They're constantly on Google, on YouTube, all the different platforms, trying to learn how to start an online business. And I can truly say that I have positioned myself where people are coming to me daily inquiring about how to start an online business. I have positioned myself where people are going to my website trying to learn what I already know. How was I able to do that? By investing in myself, by going through a training that taught me about the business of online business. It taught me about email marketing strategies, how to create the right content, to be able to bring in the right client for me, how to put together my payment system. I mean, it taught me so much, but it's only because I finally was able to find the right online training to give me that. And then on top of that, I have a already done for you digital product that came with it, gave me the license right to resell it as my own, and I get 100% profit from it. So maybe you need a digital product or would like to create one but not sure how to yet. Well, you can use this same digital product and you can go ahead and learn from the training and use what you're learning from the training and put it into that digital product. As long as you do the work and use what you learned through that training, you're going to see results. Within my 6 weeks after I went through the training and everything, then I used what I've learned from the training into that digital product. And within 6 weeks, I received my investment back. Like, wow. And that's only because I didn't sit on the training. I actually worked, put in the work, used what I learned, used all the different skills and strategies to get that digital product out there. And that's why I saw results. It doesn't take that much. If you only use what you learned, don't try to do something totally different. Use what works. Don't try to create the wheel. Use what works. And that's what I did. Through my past, I didn't do that. All I did was I would go through the training and then I would sit on it and it would just sit there and then I would forget about it. Then I would go back to it and then I would rely on the person that introduced me through the online training, or they would end up upselling me something else, or I would have to pay a monthly subscription. And with this training right here, I only invest one time and I got everything I needed. There was no additional anything. And this time I did differently because I didn't rely on the person that I invested in with. I rely on myself. You are the guarantee for your business to succeed. It's you. And when you realize that, then of course you're going to work 100% hard for yourself. If you want it so bad, if you want a six-figure income. With what I've done so far, $500 a week, that's an additional $2,000 in my bank account every time I sell one product a week. It is not that hard. It is simple if you do the work, if you put in the work yourself and do it. The easy part is putting the system together. That is easy. Now, when it comes to you putting in the work, how hard, how bad do you want it? Maybe there's a 9-to-5 job that you're trying to get out of. I have my own business and I do microblading. I love it, but it takes much of my time and I want to spend time with my family, with my child, with my husband. I want to travel more. And I'm not able to do that where I'm spending all that time doing microblading. It takes me about a good 3 hours to get it done, and then I move on to the next person. But with a digital product, I create it one time and I can sell it over and over and over. I don't have to spend an hour or 2 hours on the product because it's already done. And it's always updated. With this digital product, what I love is that it updates with the new trends. It doesn't expire. It doesn't it's not, what's the word? It's nothing that you have to like rebrand or change or anything like that. Because with this digital product here, it comes with its own background support where they're always updating and changing and making sure it's up to date with the new trends, which I love. So this digital product is, I probably old for saying, is the bomb. It is worth the money spent. You buy the training and you're getting this already done for you digital product, which I love. It's a plus. So you can learn and you're going to earn at the same time. Now, like I said before, it's up to you. You are the guarantee for your business to succeed. So if you're interested and would like to know more exactly what I do, then please go to my description below. It's going to give you the link of everything that you need to start, or you can go to my email, contact me personally. We'll do a Zoom, and I would love to share more with you. Thank you so much, and make sure that you subscribe and you like. I'll see you on my next video.